हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू? 50 दिन बीत चुका है. जस्ट 50 days gone. So much frustration. So God is also frustrated in heaven. He called out of frustration just to check what is going on in earth. लिविंग वर्ल्ड में क्या चल रहा है? He wants to know what is going on. पहले तो पेड़ पौधा को फोन किया. हेलो प्लांट्स, हाउ आर यू? प्लांट्स ने उसको जवाब दिया, सर मस्त हो, वी आर ऑल फाइन, देर इज नो प्रॉब्लम, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन एंड नाइस, देर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. खाना पीना का कोई प्रॉब्लम है? नो प्रॉब्लम, वी हैव डूइंग फोटोसिंथेसिस, एंजॉयिंग, सो मच मोर कूल काम, नो डिस्टर्बेंसेस, नथिंग, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन. भगवान ने बहुत अच्छा फील किया. वी फील वेरी वेरी गुड एंड नाइस. थैंक यू बोल के उसको राग दिया. इसके बाद एनिमल वर्ल्ड को फ़ोन किया, जंगल को, टाइगर को फ़ोन किया. हाय, हाउ आर यू टाइगर भाई? नमस्ते सर जी, नमस्ते सर जी, नमस्ते सर जी. हाँ, वी आर वेरी फाइन, वेरी फाइन. एलिफेंट को फ़ोन किया. एलिफेंट ने बोला सब ठीक है, एवरीथिंग इज़ फाइन, एंजॉइंग, वी आर गोइंग हेयर एंड देयर, कैप्चरिंग रोड्स. रास्ते पे जा रहा हूँ, उधर जा रहा हूँ, सब जगह में जा रहा हूँ. गॉड ने परेशान हो गया. गॉड वॉज सरप्राइज. ओह, यू आर फाइन, नो प्रॉब्लम. डियर्स को फोन किया, हाउ आर यू डियर? डियर ने बोला, ओह वी आर ऑल फाइन, देर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. इसके बाद क्या करे भगवान? भगवान तो पूछा, सब ठीक है. चाय पीने के बाद में भगवान ने फिर ने फोन किया, चलो और पूछ लेते हैं बाकी सबको. बैक्टीरिया को पूछ लिया, हाउ आर यू? म्यू 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 करके वो बैक्टीरिया भी बोला, सर वी आर वेरी फाइन, वी आर एप्लीकेटिंग फर्स्ट वेरी फास्ट, एंजॉइंग, नो प्रॉब्लम, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, गेटिंग गुड एयर, गुड लाइट, एंजॉइंग एवरीथिंग. भगवान ने बड़ा परेशान में आ गया. मैं तो चाहता था ये लोग से कम तो कुछ गलत आंसर आए, कुछ तो कंप्लेन करे. पूछ लेते हैं चलो कम से कम इंसान लोग को. तो भगवान किसको पूछे? 750, 60, 70, 80 करोड़ को पूछने का तो भगवान के पास टाइम है नहीं. चलो फोन लगाया. पहले फोन लगाया, अमेरिकन प्रेसिडेंट व्हाइट हाउस में फोन लगाया. ट्राई किया, ट्राई किया, ट्राई किया. फोन एंगेज था. बहुत टाइम के बाद प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ अमेरिका ने फोन उठाया. हेलो प्रेसिडेंट. हेलो, हेलो, आई एम स्पीकिंग. हु आर स्पीकिंग? I am President of America. Oh, what the President of America? Sir, we are really, really. How are you? Oh my, oh, all we are very, very in problem. You are in deep trouble. Oh, so much problem. We have totally ruined. हम तो बर्बाद हो गया, बर्बाद हो गया. क्या बताओ सर, क्या बताओ सर, सब बर्बाद हो गया. क्या बताओ, सब बर्बाद हो गया. कितने आदमी मर चुके हैं. आपने कोरोना क्यों भेजा, क्यों भेजा, क्यों भेजा? भगवान ने बोला, क्या हुआ तुम्हारा? तुम क्या खाली फोकट परेशान हो गया? हाय डोनाल्ड ट्रंप, आप परेशान मत होना. डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने बोला, भगवान, गॉड हेल्प, help, no problem, we are really in problem, you help. रशिया को फ़ोन लगाया, रशिया का प्रेसिडेंट फ़ोन लगाया, रशिया का प्रेसिडेंट ने बोला, हेलो पुतिन, हाउ आर यू? पुतिन ने बोला, सर वी आर इन बैड शेप, इकोनॉमी इज डाउन, एवरीथिंग इज डाउन, नथिंग, वी आर नॉट एबल टू कंट्रोल एनीथिंग। पुतिन ने बोला, क्या करूं क्या नहीं करूं, भगवान मेरे को बताओ, गॉड प्लीज हेल्प मी, इकोनॉमी इज रूइंड। गॉड ने बोला, डोंट वरी, डोंट वरी। इसके बाद यूके में फ़ोन लगाया, प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ यूके, हेलो हाउ आर यू, प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ यूके, सर I am in very bad shape. I am affected by corona. I just come out from hospital after 10 days with treatment. भगवान ने परेशान हो गया. So many days here and there. Okay, you take care. इसके बाद इताली को फ़ोन लगाया, जर्मनी को फ़ोन लगाया, सब रोने लगा. एवरीबडी स्टार्टेड टू क्राई. सब बर्बाद हो गया, सब बर्बाद हो गया, सब थाप हो गया. इंडिया को फ़ोन लगाया, फ़ोन तो लग ही नहीं रहा था. थोड़ी टाइम में लग नहीं रहा है. भगवान ने फ़ोन थोड़ा रख दिया, चाइना को फ़ोन लगा दिया. हेलो शी जिनपिंग, कैसे हो? एक डायरेक्ट फ़ोन लग गया भगवान से, उसको डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन एक ही कॉल में उसको लग गया. सर वी आर वेरी फाइन, वी आर एंजॉइंग. हम भी बर्बाद हो गया. क्या करूं समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. बिजनेस थाप हो गया. इसके बाद भगवान भी फ्रस्ट्रेटेड होके फ़ोन रख दिया. ये चलो इस सब का प्रॉब्लम. इंडिया को फ़ोन लगाया, सीधा प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफिस को मोदी साहब को फ़ोन लगा दिए. हाउ आर यू मिस्टर मोदी? नमस्ते गढ़ जी, नमस्ते. मोदी जी ने बताया क्या चल रहा है, क्या नहीं चल रहा है. एवरीथिंग इज नाइस, वी आर एंजॉइंग, वी आर अंडर लॉकडाउन, स्टेज 1, स्टेज 2, स्टेज 3, अगेन एंटरिंग टू स्टेज 4. इकोनॉमी चौपट हो गया, सब बर्बाद हो गया. लेकिन हम कोशिश कर रहा है, सबको खाना, सबको पीना, सबको देने का बहुत कोशिश कर रहा है. 20,000 करोड़ का फाइनेंस अरेंज कर रहा है. भगवान को थोड़ा सा ठीक लगा तो एक ही देश है, कुछ कर रहा है अपने बच्चे के लिए. भगवान ने बोला ठीक है, अच्छा रहो. फ्रेंड्स, those are just joke. It's not serious thought. Don't take it seriously, all those things. But the real question is, world is going through a lot of serious problems. If you analyze each country's economy is totally shuttered, people are jobless. Literally, you are not able to do any kind of work in your respective area to make your life. Everybody is just packed at home. It's like a dumping station nowadays. It's more than a jail now. 50 days gone, there is no train, there is no bus, there is no communication system. Except basic necessity, nothing is there. We are just surviving. Our intellectual, academic institutions, the future of kids, future of life is totally on stake. The poor people are struggling. People are struggling like anything. So not because nobody knows how to tackle this coronavirus and what are the ways to move forward. These are all hypothetical things, putting things, and they feel that those are the things, it's good, that's why they are doing something. But the real question is how long this thing is going to continue. Sitting inside room and doing some exercise, chatting, doing Facebook, WhatsApp, whatever things. These things are not going to continue for a long. It is not sustainable thing. It has to end. Because if this thing is continuing on a long run, there will be other effect. Because of coronavirus, the number of deaths, there is no medicine. That's why if it's feeling, if it spread, we are not able to control the situation. It will be out of order. So there will be deaths. But friends, it is not the situation like if even keep on continuing this lockdown, people will be dying without food. A lot of people, they won't get proper medicine, the required thing. There will be more casualties because of this under lockdown, because nothing is moving. Agricultural progress, industrial progress, banking system, economy, all those things, business institution, aviation system, everything has to come into operational form. So if it continues for longer time, there will be more tragedy, and the deaths are going to come because of corona as well as other things, the starvation, food scarcity, and all those things, and that has to be taken care. No country can afford to give food to each and every citizen of India. It is not possible. They have to get out from the house, they have to do job, earn money, or go to the agricultural field and do this exercise, and each one has to go to their respective fields. Sooner we do it, it is good for the country, and we have to overcome this corona situation, this corona phobia, coronization. It is something like, as I have told you in my many blogs, that coronavirus is not only philosophy, it is a very kind of a deliberate thing. Sometimes I feel I have my own opinion. It's a economic aggression. As I told you, China 100% sure they have manufactured artificially this virus and tried to spread across the globe and created a pandemic situation. Now nobody is able to question them. Rather than questioning them, we are trying to counter so that we can check further spread and proper vaccination. If vaccine is not developed, we are not going to be safe. And every time it is not possible to make social distancing, it has so much population. If you go to office, if you go to outside, bus, train, tram, wherever, social distancing, it's not very tough thing to manage it. So that kind of prevention, how long we can take it? So sooner we do some positive precautions, getting out a good medicine, something like that, some stopover should be there. Otherwise there is a big question is hanging on us to save the human world. Rest are happy. We have only problem. We need money. We need social entertainment and everything. So the rest animal world, rest plant, other biodiversity they are enjoying. Only human are facing problem because we are the most intelligent and advanced species. So we have to find if this 40 days lockdown or 50 days lockdown is creating so much havoc. You can imagine if it continues another 100 days, how much devastation can be seen around the world. So only humans have problems because we are complex organism or complex animal, complex social entity. So that issues can be addressed separately. I personally, it's so much anxiety, so much frustration that there is no way we are not able to come out from the situation. This lockdown is continuing everywhere. If you go, there is a barrier, as if that virus is not able to cross one bamboo wall to another bamboo wall. I really do not know. Police are taking a stick and throwing stick on people whoever is coming out from home. Those things, how many days are going to continue? If it's a lockdown, it's a home. Sometimes you feel home is like a kind of a more prison. So this is, I am also speaking out of emotions, out of frustration, out of passion. Like, I really don't know what to do. Only God knows what He's planning to do it. So God must explain. So if you believe it that God has created this coronavirus, this world is created by God, so He is the best person to explain his or her stand why He created coronavirus. And if coronavirus is created artificially, God should punish them so that rest world is safe. Only the criminals are taken away. So otherwise you punish whoever is involved with these activities. You may be very specific to that. The virus is so much specific. You target them only. Like a missile, the way the radar laser missile target the Israeli, like they target only the enemies. Now this virus can also target only the enemies. It's a good at the end of the day. So God can guide them to do such exercise. Thank you very much. Is as long as I speak, keep on speaking. There is no point in speaking for a long time. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Bye. Take care.